I will go to him.
If you go to him, you cannot come back to me.
That all may see, forgive me.
I warned you to stay away from the temple.
When I strike, catch hold of the lash.
Lead me to the house of the temple.
I will.
He stole my cloak, Delilah. Let him wear the mark of your whip. He leads like a goat.
Why can't I lead you like that?
You're not Delilah.
Make him crawl, Delilah.
Put a ring through his nose.
Your peacock makes sport with an ox.
She's mocking us, not Samson.
Lord of the harvest, conqueror of death, now shall Samson be humble at your feet.
Make him bow. Bend his neck before Dagon. Look, Delilah made him bow. He made him bow.
I'm weary, Delilah. Let me feel the pillows that I may lean upon them.
Only a little further than that. Humble yourself before their God, Samson. Kneel.
The house of this temple stands on these columns.
Yes, kneel.
The stone is cruel. I will rest here.
Let him be scourged until he turns from his God.
Go, Delilah. Run. Into the courtyard.
No.
Death will come into this temple. The hand of the Lord will strike.
I will not be afraid.
You must leave now. Wherever you are, my love is with you. Go.
Make him kneel to Dagon. Yes, make him kneel.
He'll not kneel to any god but his own.
The edge of a sword will bend his knees.
Delilah. Have you gone? Delilah. I pray thee, strengthen me, O God. Strengthen me only this once.
What's he doing?
He's holding up the temple.
Samson to his knees beneath the feet of Dagon.
This is better than I had bargained for.
Well, the man's crazed.
Oh, John, he's the funniest clown I've ever seen.
It moved.
The column's moving. He has split the stone. The man has the strength of a devil.
No, the strength of a god.
God, be more powerful than Samson. Hold it. Let him through.
My eyes have seen thy glory, O God. Now let me die with my enemies.
Cut him down!
He was so strong. Why did he have to die?
His strength will never die, so. Men will tell his story for 1,000 years.